Okay, to solve graph and give interval notation of an absolute value inequality, we need to break this up into two inequalities. And the key thing to note here is that the absolute value is less than a number, meaning that this thing is bounded. Absolute value means a distance. Distance being less than a number means that you're kind of, think of it kind of like a circle or a ball. You're kind of contained in this region of space because you can't go any further past the distance. In practice, all we have to do here is break this thing up. Because this is a less than or equal to a positive number here, I can write this as a three-part inequality. I can write like this. I can write as -4 is less than or equal to the thing on the inside, x plus 3, and x plus 3 is less than or equal to 4. So I just drop the absolute value. The first one, I flipped the inequality and I made this negative. That's what you saw here. I flipped the inequality and made it negative. And then I just dropped the parentheses here, dropped the absolute value bars, and then wrote the exact same thing. This is the exact same thing as -4 is less than or equal to x plus 3, which is less than or equal to 4. This is what I meant by bounded. It's bounded in this small region because it's less than or equal to a certain distance. This is really referencing the word and. That's the key thing to note here. Anyways, I think it's easier to solve this one, but they both solve the same way. Just get x by itself. I'm going to subtract 3 to both sides. We're going to get x less than or equal to 1. It's going to be greater than or equal to -7. So the graph of this is going to be -7 to -1. And it's going to be bounded between these two values. We're going to use square brackets because it's less than or equal to, less than or equal to. And x is bounded between these two regions. The smallest value is -7. The highest value is -1. Both of them have brackets next to it. So this is the interval notation.